components of quality gap. 5 components of quality gaps. Understanding gap, design gap, process gap, operations gap, perception gap. Figure of 5 components. 1. Understanding gap. Lack of understanding of what the customer needs. Sometimes this gap opens up because the producer simply fails to consider who the customers are and what they need. More often the gap is there because the supplying organization has erroneous confidence in its ability to understand exactly what the customer really needs. 2. Design gap. Even if there were perfect knowledge about customer needs and perceptions, many organizations would fail to create designs for their goods and services that are fully consistent with that understanding. Some of this failure arises from the fact that the people who understand customers and the disciplines they use for understanding customer needs are often systematically isolated from those who actually create the designs. Designers, whether they design sophisticated equipment or delicate human services, often lack the simple tools that would enable them to combine their technical expertise with an understanding of the customer needs to create a truly superior product. 3. Process gap. Many splendid designs fail because the process by which the physical product is created or the service is delivered is not capable of conforming to the design consistently time after time. This lack of process capability is one of the most persistent and bedeviling failures in the total quality gap. 4. Operations gap. The means by which the process is operated and controlled may create additional deficiencies in the delivery of the final good or service. 5. Perception gap. Arises from a failure to understand the customer and the customer needs. Customers react to how they perceive the good or service provides them with a benefit.